What? At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion boy. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. Me no know if you no see say I use alkaline, I use the 6 them, forget hot. You know what I mean? I use the 6 them, forget hot, you know. Remember, you know, the first thing him do, you know, him throw over that Vibes Cartel, no look pan him. Him throw over pan popcorn, no fart pan him. And at the 6 them, him attack because him know a them man the hot. You know what I mean? Him know if Vibes Cartel or popcorn answer him know a lime like that. So him see him go look and see the 6 them are the man in the street. In a Jamaica where I run dancehall music, and them are the hottest thing in the street. So him run go and show shades off of the man them. Remember him did that draw the level scared, you know. And them time there, you know, in a them time there to this time, you know, in a Tamale career, you know, Tamale was a bigger artist in the 6 them time there, you know, the width span when they talk about them bossing, you know, because Tamale is a man where even run Jamaica already, you know, with the hottest thing, you know. You know what I mean? And him never challenge Tamale, him say a levels thing. You know what I mean? But now him a run off of the 6 them. So you know, see say John, him that John. Because remember him is a man who come with the level scale and now look on paper. We call him name. How much man call him name and him not look on them? Eh? And what's about the 6 them now? Eh? And the 6 them dust bust what they are. Eh? And what's about the 6 them? And not even a year since the man them bust. Eh? You know, see a lollipop thing. Him a go on with, but here we go on now. Make sure him not run, you know, because of him first started, you know. Make sure him stand up, you know, and defend where him create, you know. You hear that? So just make sure because the 6 them want him stripe, you know. The man them never have to answer him, but the man them want him stripe. Because the man them preach war business. The man them not deal with fight. The man them love war. You see what I deal with? So here we go on now. CV, you know. DMR, you know. Put Vibes Cartel in a cage. And him put up a dog there. In a squash this song for alkaline. But him never put the dog in a cage, you know. With 6 bone outside, you know, make him head fast, you know, the girl for reach the bone them, you know. Him never do that, you know. You see what I deal with? So him still underneath payments. Here we go on. I see him drop a video with my name in it. Him claim say him not watch the whole of my video because rare. But I don't see say him watch my video because here we go on. If him never watch my video, him would try to violate my wicked and that. Because here we go on. Him see say, me not easy. I grade my smoke and me not bun beat. You see it? Watch. So here we go on. Remember, you know, him a say him start this thing, that's all a man like me can do it. You see me? Here we go on. It's not about the start. It's about the finish. And it's about what you're doing it and the column where you build in it. Because if you're a man who start this shit, you're supposed to have about close to 1 million subscribers right now. You know what I mean? Or even 500,000 subscribers. When I look for your thing, it don't look like you start. It look like you start. It look like you start blogging thing. It look like I try, just like all of the new bloggers them. So I don't know what you say. You know what I mean? And remember, you know, the 2 most sophisticated people them what I see on YouTube, you know. Because even when them I got this year, you know, is nothing hardcore. Even if them a say something hardcore, it still sound like it don't ever make for them. A soul flowing on J area there and them two people there. Me see a ball, on YouTube, them two people there, make you ball, Somebody don't know you're not a match for me, You see what I deal with? And when I see the title, and I say 10 star, I say to my dog them, whoa, watch a dopey bat here. Look how I go flip that dopey bat here. You know what I mean? But the one thing, why I not go step on your heart? Me hear you tell the people themselves go over 10 star TV, go look on them video. So that alone, when I see you do that, I know say, you know an entertainment thing. And you not take it personal. So that alone make me not go run upon you too hard. But differently, me that say to myself, how the blood clot a go on? Who send DMR come for dead? You know what I mean? Why them want me for line up him head? You know what I mean? Because I see him on YouTube a beg like a blinder, that's why I line up him head, Them want me for put carbine up him head. Or the general, the 10 star one, and a lollipop thing, You know, no match for me. You say you crush me out like cockroach, you can't do that. You know what I mean? Because me is not a rot. Now the general, the 10 star one, way before YouTube even exists. Way before you even left country and go and come to America, youth. You hear me? And another joke thing. You see what I deal with that YouTube, nothing have name. You know what I mean? The general and I laugh with it. You know what I mean? I say I look man, I run up on my page underneath me in my comment box and I talk about teeth. Let me tell you something, man. In a badness in my virgin, when man and man a deal or man and man have a conflict or even argument. Let me tell you something, man. You have rules in a bad man thing, man. Bad man no act like a bitch nor a girl, man. Bad man no watch a next man, my dog. So that is the first weakness you come with. But here we are going. But 12 o'clock your mother, and don't come out till 1 o'clock, Take an hour lunch break, you hear me? Or the general, the 10 star one. Me not deal with lollipop thing. Wanna say apologize to boy we a flex like Jice. Both a feed them choice talk say man nice. Through him headshot slice. Brain melt like ice. Them dead like lice. Them a destroy the human race. Cause the same sex can bring no children. Them boy they a make man drill them. Take gunshot Gaza man nah fuck for kill them. Give girl cocky till them cramp. Me no lick nothing, not even post office stamp. Some boy a buy girl like ants. Have girl a full up them face with eye like lamp. What? The general, the 10 star one, and you know when I represent, you know a full effect thing. A loud explosion. So here we go on a Gaza nation, them couldn't get no hype from the world boss cause him no look on them. Them no get no hype from the unruly boss cause them no look on them. So them go challenge, them go after the 6 boss. A real way. Gaza way. Ain't no other way. Don't run. You hear me? Because NVP have a tendency for run. Because remember, the big one near Movada, they run, So make sure you stand up, and stand up to where you create. You hear that? Watch.